lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma aftah alina hikmataka wa anshurni rahmatika ya zal jalali wal ikram. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa amalan mutaqabbalan wa rizqan tayyiban. Allahumma afini fi badani, Allahumma afini fi sami, Allahumma afini fi basari, la ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now here we are. Now I am going to convert binary number binary number into hexadecimal hexadecimal. How we will do that? Okay, first of all I need to pick a value. It's on my book, it's on activity 1.4. It's activity 1.4. I'm using this book, Cambridge IGCSE Computer Science, David Watson and Helen Williams, and it's on page number 7, activity 1.4. Convert the following binary numbers into hexadecimal. It's very easy. First of all I need to start from the very easy question. So I will write my own question. Let me write over here 1010 and 0100. We need to convert this binary number, this is page 2, into hexadecimal. How I will convert that? It's very easy. Be attentive. Now our first step is we need to make pair of 4, starting from the right side and move towards the left side. So put is equal to sign. Let me make a pair 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4. We got two pairs. Two groups here, two group of 4 binary pairs. Okay, let's take a start. Let me write it 1 0 1 0, and then let me separate, give a proper space here so that you can see that it will properly separate it from here. Okay, this is step number 1. This step number 2, we need to find its value in the table. So what I told you, let me create over here. Till 9 we have the same numbers, but in Denary and Hexa, they differ from at this point. Till 9 they are same, but when it comes in Denary 10, in hexadecimal we say it's A. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we'll write here B, C, D, E and F. This will help you in your exam. When you are finding the answer how to convert binary number into Denary, this is a quick way to find that. Okay, now 1010. So 1010 is what? Let me write its binary value as well over here. I know that 1010 is what? It's 10. So after that I will write here 10 11. Then I will write, I need to turn off these two, so it will become 1100, then 1101. I turn on this. Okay. In the next step I'm going to turn off this one and turn on this one bit at a time. So in the last step I'm going to turn on this one and it do like that. Okay. So what is the binary value? 1010 means is A. You can write here A. Okay. Then 0100. But 0100 is 4. You can even find this over here. How? You can write 0100. To convert into Denary number, we need to multiply with base 2. With this power, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. So 2 power 2 mean 4. 4 multiply 1 mean it will give you 4. Then 0 multiply with any digit will give you 0. So we got 4 here. Here is our hexadecimal number. That's how you can solve any question. Okay. Let me quickly solve one more question here. Next question is, for example, what if you have this condition? You have only this one and 1, 1, 1 and 0. Okay. Now first step is you need to make a group of 4 starting from right side and move towards the left side. So I will make 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I got one group here. Then I will use this one 0, 1. We have only two values here, two numbers here, two digits here, 2-bit number. So I need, on the left side I need to add two more digits, two more zeros to make it 4-bit. So let's take a start. So I will write here 1, 0, and I will write 2 0. It makes no difference, but you can make a group of 4 bits to convert this into a hexadecimal number. Okay, now let's find, this is 1. It's not here, but I will tell you that how you can do that. Again, you need to multiply this with base 2 when you are converting into Denary number. So this one. I told you that 0 till 9 in hexadecimal and Denary number we are using the same numbers. Okay, 2 and this one is base 3. Look here, whatever the values come from after multiplying these values, we will get 0. Why? Because 2 power 3 means 8. 8 multiplied 0 will give you 0. 2 power 2, 4. 4 multiplied 0 will give you 0. 2 power 1 means 1, and it multiply with this digit 0, it will give you 0. Okay, then what we have here? 0, 2 power 0 means 1. 1 multiply 1 will give you 1. So I will write here 1. I got my first value. The next thing is triple one zero. Where is triple 10? Here you can see this. This is triple 10. This is the binary of which number? Denary number 14, and in its hexa value is E. So I will write over here E. We have achieved our objective, convert binary number into hexadecimal number. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. In next lecture I am going to show you that how you will convert hexadecimal number into binary or hexadecimal number into Denary. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.